I've made these nunchucks. I'm going to be doing my tutorial with these. Right, so we're going to go on to this. Okay, it's using your arms in a syncopated manner. So on the butterfly effect, we went over this move, okay, which is putting it behind your back. Get that one down before you try this. Okay, so what it's going to involve is you're going to put the nunchuck like that around your wrist, okay, and you're going to let it go. Alright, you're basically going to go like that whilst it's doing the rotation, and bring your hand down to catch it, like so, you see. So it's rolling on this part of the wrist here, and then it falls down into your hand like so. So watch. Okay, so that's the first part of the move, okay? So from there, what you're going to do, because you've got it in the grab position, you're going to put it under this arm, like so. Okay, so watch. This is the second part now. Because you need it to hop. You need to bring your wrist so your little finger is pointing towards the ceiling, yeah? And hop, do that. It will hop the nunchuck up, then you're going to catch it with this arm and continue the rotation, okay? Then to grab it. So, 1, 2. Do you see how I'm doing this? Okay, that is going to force the nunchuck to do the last rotation of the move. Okay, so what I'm doing, you see, I'm putting it over and I'm grabbing it in a reverse grip. From there, I'm going to put it underneath this arm. Okay, it's gonna underneath, and then you're going to rotate your wrist up to the ceiling. Okay, like so. From there, you're going to catch it with this arm. So you're going to intercept the nunchuck whilst it's bouncing in the air and catch it on your arm. From there, you're going to turn your arm up like so. Okay. And basically it will rotate. I found this move out by accident. It took me, I done it by accident, and it took me near 2 days, right, to actually master it. You know, I dropped it thousands of times because you haven't really got a hand to catch it of such. You're using your arms. But yeah, you can continue it to go. It can just keep on rotating so long as you can get it to keep going. It's like it's walking on your arm. I love the move. So I hope this helps you, okay? So remember, around the back of your wrist like so. Off. From there, you're in a reverse grip and you're going to put it underneath this wrist from here. You're going to lift that wrist up and it's going to hop it in the air. Okay, so from there you're going to intercept it with this arm and you're going to turn your arm up like so. And basically you are going to catch it. You're not meant to drop it. Okay, see how I've caught it there? From there I'm ready to continue the move. Boom, boom. Okay, so I really do hope this helps you. And yes, so right, we're going to move on to the second one. So we're going to put it underneath our leg now, so it goes like this. Okay, so much the same as before, okay, with this. Alright, the only difference is you're not putting your arm out, you're going underneath your leg. Like that, you see. So 1, 2, 3. That's the first move. 1, 2, 3. That's the second move, okay? So the only difference between the first move and the second move is you're not going like this with the second move. You're going like this. Okay, it's very hard, okay? If you drop it, do not get frustrated. Keep it with it because it's a cool move. You can put it in lots and lots of places. Okay, so I hope this helps you guys. So quick recap. First move, over the back of your arm like so. like so, yes? You're going to catch it in reverse grip. You're then going to put it underneath this arm and you're going to hop this arm up so it gains height, like so. Alright? It's gained height. I'm going to catch it with my arm and I'm going to catch it in the same reverse grip. Remember, all these moves are reverse grip. Okay, you cannot catch it in a forward grip. So, second move, buff, under your leg. Hello. Yeah, one, under your leg, on your arm, and you catch it with the other arm. It is very, very similar moves, it's just two variations of an arm wrap that I find. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope this helps you out. Stay tuned. Trick Tuesday is back on Tuesday. I'm hoping that it's going to be a 4, I might do it a 5-part yet. I'm not 100% sure if I can fit everything in 4 parts, okay, but I'm going to do my best. So, stay tuned. See you next Tuesday. See you next Friday. Okay. Thank you. See you soon.